What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in Cabazon. They do got an Adidas outlet. They do got an Under Armour outlet. Let's go check them out. Adidas has been struggling apparently. If you look at their earnings report and stuff, man, numbers have been looking really bad. Maybe that might mean they got really good deals. I don't know. Let's go find out. Do got 50% off store-wide. That is a stark difference from Nike. Wow. Question is, do they got any heat though? They got any heat? Do got Donovan Mitchell's, do got Harden's. Also got a little clearance section. It's small, dude. All right, but let's look. Got some Adidas Vans. Y'all need some Adidas Vans. Got those bad boys. I don't know what the hell these are called. I don't know. It's all recycled stuff though. 55. This is 50% off. Everything in the clearance section is 50% off. Ultra Boost size 7.5. $1.90. Aim 8's $1.30. Trey Young 2s, man. I need some Trey Youngs too. That is a dope colorway. This is a size 5. What the heck? Yeah, that's a dope colorway though, man. Size 11s. Don Issue 4s go for $1.20. I'm just not really digging these. Yeah, I'm good on those. Nizza parlays go for $1.10. Some of these, man, I'm just not a fan. $1.30 for these. These are 10.5 my size. Yeah, I definitely would not be rocking that though. Superstar parlays. Oh, these are fire, dude. These are dope. $1.20 for these. Got a cork insole right there. Pretty much all suede except the toe box, of course, does have the classic rubber toe box. The look of these are just dope. Why would they put that on top though? Just to try something different? They got like a big old gap right, man. Color super dope, material super dope. That toe box, Oh, they got boost too. Got that boost. That boost, so extra comfy. Man, that's fire. $1.20. That's fire. Dames size 9, $1.30. Pure Boost 2022s. I haven't seen Pure Boost in a while. I didn't know they changed it like that. $1.40. They made it more traditional looking. I don't know. I'm not a fan. I like the original Pure Boost. $1.40 for those. Remember, it is 50% off. All those prices. All right, we're gonna check out the basketball section now. That's pretty much about it. Don Issue 4s, $1.30 to get 50 off. Got up to size 13. Got plenty of size in these two. Harden Volume 6s. You really can't go wrong with this colorway. Black and white does have boost in it. They look pretty comfortable. They look pretty dope, to be honest. They look pretty dope. Some synthetic material up top. Okay. Actually, I have plenty of sizes on these. Dame Certified. Is that like a budget version? I didn't know he had a budget version. Okay. It's way cheap on that. Is this the Incredibles version right here? Mr. Incredible. Okay, yep, it is. You see the box right there. Okay. $1.20, 50 off. No additional discount on this Dame 8 right here, $80. That one right there as well. I forgot to get Thomas on the video. My bad, Thomas. Thomas, thanks for watching. So he watches. He's a reseller, but he does watch. And we talked for what, 20 minutes? Oh man. All right. Let's get going. Someone did have some Outlet 22 slides. I'm so sad that I missed it. Dang it. I actually want those. I don't want to pay retail though, but they did have 50% off. I didn't see what size it was though. Oh, they do got some Gazelles right here. Let's look around right here. By Gazelles, obviously, I mean the Campus 80s. These are fire, dude. These are fire. I think like these are a better version of the Superstars. I don't know. That's just me. I do have the Towley version. Do got some nice suede on it. $1.10 for these, 50 off. Do got multiple colorways. Got some of these. Are these the Puigs? Got the Puigs right here. Nizzas. Equipment Support 93s. I'm not a fan of those. Do got the wings right here, the JS Wing 4.0s. Not a fan of those. Got the Stan Smith, suede Stan Smiths. These are dope. Oh, it's like a Disney collab or something. Material on that is dope. Not a fan of the color. 50% off. Fan of that price. Or Stan Smith right here. NMDs. Why aren't these listed, man? Come on now. Why aren't these included in the sale? We got a bunch of them. $1.20. slight sale, but not the 50% off. These normally go for what, 170, 180? I don't know. Got some 4D things right here. Remember when these came out, they was going for 400 bucks. Got the web boost right here. Just have that encaged boost on the bottom. Ultra boost, all 50% off, or most of them 50% off. Black and white, you really can't go wrong with that combo. Yeah, you really can't go wrong with that. Bigger size is only on this one. That's rare. That's an interesting colorway. Got a ton of these 5.0 boost right here, the DNAs. 2021's on sale as well. Can't go wrong with all whites unless you're dirty as hell like I am. Wakanda Forever one, also on sale. And we found a couple of the ones that are not on sale, the Mexico one and the Argentina one. These are the World Cup ones. Okay. I'm sure sales are down, like the volume of sales that they actually are putting out. So they do have a lot of markdowns, a lot of sales. Pretty freaking dope. Clothing as well. Yeah, I kind of gotta run. So we're gonna have to hit up another spot, and then I'll definitely check out clothes. I got time to hit up Adidas Outlets later on this week. What the hell is this? Oh, look, like some of the smaller sizes right here. Damn, I was about to leave, but look at this. Look at this, the Washington ones. These are $100, and then you get 50% off on top of that. Wow. All these right here, 70, and then you get 50% off. Like these are some orange tweaks. These are pretty dope. Dang, so this is like the super clearance section. I don't know, is this, yeah, what the hell? Why didn't I check this out before? Hardens right there. These Ultra Boosts go for $100. $100, you get 50% off on top of that. And why didn't I see this section before? This is the dope stuff right here. The parlays. What are these? Oh, these are shoes for cycling right here. Damn, Adidas got some deals, man. If you guys are a fan of Adidas, they do got some deals. Some Forum mids right here, $90. All right, I gotta hit up one more shop, and we gotta go. Kind of on a schedule. Do got an Under Armour. I haven't hit up Under Armour in a while. Let's go see what they got. Sneaker section right here. Of course, we're gonna check out the clearance section first. This 40% off. Like smells weird in here, but it's weird. This is the only clearance, and then it says women's clearance. I don't even see. What the hell? Oh, I think they were too lazy to change the sign. These are all men's sneakers. Dude, got some Charged Gemini 2020s go for $95. Is that Will Smith? It's Will Smith. Oh, this is the original version. Okay, the original sampled music or whatever. But yeah, they got the Hover Sonic 4s right here, $105 for these. Damn, I don't see no Currys or nothing. Man, dude. Charge. Oh my god, these are the worst names ever. Tri-Base Rain 3s. Workout sneakers. Kind of reminds me of the Metcons. $110 for those. Bottom section, the women's right here. Just not much. Guess we're checking out the aisles. There's just not much, man. Not much. We do got these right here. These are the budget Stephen Curry's. What do they even call these? The 3Z5? Is that what they call them? It's 40% off retail, so I guess that's not too shabby. So $80, you get another 40% off. There's a bling bling one right there. And their boots. I know their boots are legit. The military tactical boots right here. Yeah, man, the names, just not a fan of the names right there. But yeah, it is $110. You did get 40 off. If I did get a boots, I think Under Armour would be the right move. $110 for that colorway. Then they got the 4E version. That is the wide version. You can tell because it says 4E right there. In the men's section, man, I'm just seeing a bunch of budget stuff. Not really seeing too much. The Hover Sonic 4s right here. These are only 20% off. Micro G Kelchus? I don't know. Yeah, 20% off of those. Checking out the women's section. I don't really see any premium products. The Charged Gemini 2020s right here. Yeah, just not much, dude. Just not much. Do got Project Rock, of course, Project Rock. None of it's on sale. I know this is some of their more popular stuff. $60 for these. A hoodie with no sleeves. Oh, they're super thin though. Got shorts right here. What's it say? Hard work in room. That's what it says. $60 for some shorts. Iron Paradise t-shirt right here. One for $35. They got a bunch of shorts and stuff. A lot of their apparel's on sale. These are some really thin running shorts. $55.40 off of that. Show you how long they are. Some thermals. $40. These are all 40% off. The material on these are really nice. Kind of thin, but still nice. I got some jackets. Fleece line jackets, $90. You do get an extra 30% off. You got pants that do match if you can find the same colorway. But I think that's about it, yo. About it. This might be hella short, but it is what it is. That's how it works sometimes, man. That's how it works. Adidas Outlet deals better than Nike outlets. That's what we learned today. More heat though? I don't know. We're in the desert right now. Look at how green it is, and then look at the snow. Dang, truck. What's up, dog? Messing my thing up, dog. All right, let's go. All right, so now look, you can see right around the corner. You see a bunch of snow right there. Isn't that crazy? California's crazy, dude.